Hello everyone, welcome to OTS. This is Andy. Let's talk about this machine. Is universal hydraulic tensor and compressive test machine. First we have to connect the power, and the second step we have to add the hydraulic oil into this in from here. Yeah. To add the number 46 hydraulic oil, around 17 liters. Because this device is the hydraulic self-control system, so we have to add the hydraulic oil. The third step, we have to connect the oil paper, yeah, from the machine. Yeah, connect the oil paper from the machine to the control system. Yeah. We have remarked the number 1 to number 4, and yeah, the paper, the circle, the rubber circle. We need to use the rubber circle to connect the paper for the sealing.
放着温圈才能走。
Number 1 to number 1, number 2 to number 2. We have remarked it, so you will not make it wrong. And for the rubber circle, we have make some rubber circle fixed here. You can use it. Now let's talk about how to install the power line. As you can see, there are 3 phase, so 5 line. This one is the natural line, and there are 3 line. It's a phase line, right? And after installation, the software, then we can check whether the phase line is be correct position. Now let's control the machine by this device by manual. We click up, but as you can see, the machine is down, right? And we click the down. We click down, but the machine is up in. So that means the phase line is wrong position. We have to change the position each of the two phase line. Now let's to change the green and the yellow one. Change the position. Right. To make the phase be the right position. After change the phase line and check the action is right, then that means the installation is successful. If after change each of the two phase line is not be the right action, we have to continue to change another phase line until the action is right. So after installation of the power line, and then we open the computer and open the software, right? Now let's talk about the fixture graphs. As you can see, there are two sets of flat specimen, flat sample, and three sides for round specimen. Yeah, if you test the if you test the round sample, use this one, right? And this is a measure range, and we used this one now to try test, right? This one is for the round specimen. Okay, now let's talk about how to make it. Okay, come on. And controlled by this device. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. We can control the fixture by this device by menu. This one for the up one, right? This is the open. Now that's to close. Okay. Close. Right. Open. And this one is for the lower. Close. Open. Close. Right. And this is for the up, down.